Okay, for some of you that wish to learn how to install a solar panel, as you can see, we have the negative terminal and we have the positive terminal. We have the box, we have the combiner for negative and for positive. This one will go to the positive of the solar charger unit. While this one will go to the negative, to the positive one and to the negative one. Okay, with this I know you can do much more. With this we have two solar panels together. One is model, one is a 17.10 volt V, 180 watt maximum power current. As you can see, it's all written over there. Thank you, and remain blessed.